the depths of hell could have forged a diamond this special?
What's up, y'all? Good morning. How we doing? Welcome back. So today I figure I'll give you guys a little how-to tutorial on how to replace straps, how to like wind them up, how to set them up, but also more importantly how to get new winches on your rig. So this is the spare trailer that I have in the market. So we every now and then when our regular trailer has to go in for scheduled maintenance or whatever the case may be, we try to have like a a good spare trailer. Like I set up all the maintenance and stuff for this trailer. This trailer actually has equipped 9 winches and straps. These two I just put on, but I was like, doy, I should have started recording so I could show you guys how to do it. So we're gonna walk around to the other side real quick. You're gonna need that in a minute, or we could do it the old-fashioned way by winding it up by hand, which as we know is gonna take a little bit longer. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So this is the winch style for this trailer. It has like the small slot with the small openings on the side. It has the 2 flanges right there, and you can actually, there's a rail on this side too, that, or there should be, yep, right there, that you can hook this onto starting from the front and then slide it back. If you are I think this one is, yeah, I'm not sure which side, because yeah, this is a right-handed one. These winches go on like this, so you could do it on this side or you could do it on the other side. It doesn't really matter. But what I want to do today, because I have these 24-foot LVLs, I want to make sure that these are good to go and that these aren't going to move. So what I want to do is, and I don't have my regular trailer here with the 2-inch straps that I normally carry in the box. So I got a couple brand new straps. I'll demonstrate how to replace and do 2 of them for you guys today. These are pretty heavy. I don't think that there's anything wrong with these straps, so you know what, maybe I'll just do one. This one looks like it's a little bit worse shape. I don't know if that's a word, but we're gonna go ahead and use that word anyway. So I am going to do one complete one, like one empty one, and replace one here. So let's go ahead and do that. Grab that. I want to put all the just want to be careful you don't drop those on your foot. So we're doing 2 complete straps, 1 winch, and 1 we're just going to slide on like so. I feel like Rachel Ray. I should be carrying stuff in the bowl to the other side of the kitchen. It was like, yo, Rachel Ray, you need help? So, cool. So I'll put all these down gently. So first and foremost, we'll just, let me find the one with the, so this is the one that we're gonna replace. This one, we can just slide on. So don't make the mistake like I did. I totally forgot that there is a bolt in there, right in there. So just make sure you unscrew that a little bit. We're gonna slide these down. And it might be kind of hard to twist in your hand, but once you get it on the rail, which goes in like so. And if you have some PB blaster, don't be afraid to hit these winches and straps and the rails with some PB blaster. Make your life a little easier. So as it looks, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Not bad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one, slide it on, like I said, don't be afraid to hit it with some PB blaster. Take that, slide it down, take that, take that. So the reason why I'm putting this on here, even though it is shredded, I'll show you in a second. And then we'll take this empty one, put that on. Now don't forget to screw back in your set bolt, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And you can just hand tighten it, just so that those winches and straps don't come off. Put that back up there. Cool. So now what I'm going to do is just pull this entire strap off because of this fray. I mean, I would still use this, but for informational purposes and training purposes, we're going to go ahead and swap that out. I'm not going to throw it away. I'll put it in the box just in case of an emergency. And then I'll tell you what I also am going to do is show you how to put these away. So you want to just grab it in the middle, roll it back, thumbs on the inside, and kind of want to get these straightened out before you do that. Yep, thumbs on the inside. You roll up double the strap in half the amount of time. So I could just unroll this real quick, then re-roll it. So yeah, so now you just rolled up double the amount of strap in half the time. Cool beans. You're going to want to grab a really sharp pocket knife and always cut away from you. Cool. So what we do to one, we're going to do to the other. Now these straps are rated for, I think, 4,500 pounds. Let me see. Yeah, WLL is working load limit. So, oh, look, it says right there. Yep, working load limit. So, okay, so these are rated for 5,400 pounds. My mistake. So 5,400 pounds. Cool beans. Now, you know, through the power of editing, which I'm probably not going to do to this video, but we'll see. That was just dangerous. I just cut towards me. So now, through the power of editing, I could trim all this up, but you know, it is what it is. So normally these come in rolls, not flat straps like that. So what you want to do is just take all the slack out. You're going to take this end, and in that slot you're going to stick it in. And you're going to just roll it back just a little bit. Now you want to have about, say, about a foot of strap on there, and then just wind it back towards you. You know what, these I have to make sure that the clips are all the way back. So let me take out this set bolt. I got to pull those winches off, at least the last 4, and redo it. Always want to make sure that, see, mistakes. Through the power of editing, I would have this already removed, and you guys would see what a perfectionist I am, but I'm not, and that's okay. I make mistakes too. You know, you just learn from them. Like, that's probably gonna fall and drop on my foot, but you know what? We're gonna make mistakes and we're gonna learn from them. So, clip to the forwardmost position, slide that on, clip to the forwardmost position, slide that on, slide those down, take this, clip to the forwardmost position. Now I'm going to show you 3 methods of how you can wrap these up. Clip to the forwardmost position. Let's see. Right there. All right, now again, don't forget to tighten your set bolt in there. What you should do is probably put some Loctite on there. You shouldn't be able to do that by hand, but you know, we're getting it done. So grab your winch strap winder. These are a few tools you could use. I'm gonna put my attachment in my pocket. This attachment I got off of Amazon. I'll try to link it down in the description if I can still find it. This is attached to a Makita Shockwave 1/2-inch drive. Or is that a 1/4 inch? It might be a 1/4 inch drive. Attached to my Ryobi. My Ryobi 1 Kenobi impact gun. So these, I'll show you the 3 different methods you can use to wrap those up. I'll put those there. And then we're gonna need this other strap. I'll put that here. So like I said, about a foot, you know, from here to here. And then what you could do is just start winding it up by hand, but that could take forever. So what you want to do is, I'll try to link everything down in the description. What you want to do is just grab all this slack, pick it up. Now I trust an older strap. When I went to go train people, this is what I explained to them. I trust an older strap more than I trust a new strap. Why? Because new straps these are all made out of like synthetic fiber. So new straps have not been broken in yet. And what I mean by that is that the fibers have not been stretched out. So that basically means when you go to throw it on a load and you go to strap it down and you go to secure it, you're gonna be here for a while tightening and stretching out those fibers. So even though my day is a little bit busy today, I'm still taking the time out of my day to show you how to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this strap, get this one going too, and I'll show you the 3 different methods you can use for winding these up. Now obviously to most people the power drill is gonna look like it's gonna be the fastest, which it probably is, but it's not the most efficient. The winch strap winder, which is this beauty here, it's not the fastest, but it gets the job done in a pretty fast, timely manner. So again, you want to thread that through, pull that through, and then pull that up and over. Another point of reference is you always want to have the pattern or the design, or look for that orange stripe to always be facing you, for what I find is like the easiest. So about a foot. And then, so you could do this method where you're just wrapping it up, this, that, the third. But in all of my methods, I always recommend that you take the buckle, which is this. This is a 4-inch buckle on a 4-inch strap on a winch. You always take the buckle and you'll always hook it. Why? Because it's picking up a lot of that dead weight. So we're gonna go ahead and use the winch strap winder, and I'll show you how fast, this is just regular speed. So this gives you time to fix the strap. You're doing it at your own pace. Cool. So pull out the slack, wind it back. All right, cool. Most people say that's done. All right, we'll come back to that one in a second. So now I'll hang that there, and I'll use this. This is a 2 amp, old 2 amp battery. This is the attachment I got off of eBay. How this works is you drop the hooks inside the hole and you wind it back. And now some people are like, dude, just let it rip. Okay. That's what happens when you let it rip. So you want just, so you want to be charging up against the world and stuff, you know, I guess you let it rip all the way and you just keep fixing it. That means I left the key in the on position. Turn that off. So now, you know, both methods are cool, right? But then you get the pulling on the strap. Look at all the slack you pull out. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it over here because I don't want to lose that. I'll be SOL, which means for the younger viewers, that means I'll be I won't be having a good day. So now you take your bar and you start cranking, because now it's hooked on the rail. You want to start stretching out those fibers. So I remember when I got my other trailer and I put the new straps and winches on it, I had to do this to all my winches and all my straps. I had to break them all in. And how you do that, you just keep cranking. Then you take them out again, and you wind them back up, and you keep cranking, because those fibers are going to stretch out over time. Now you're not going to be able to get all the slack out of them, but you know, at least get most of that play out of it for now. So, but yeah, so now I'm about to strap down this load. Reason why I attached, you know, the new winches and straps to it, you know, the new winches and straps to it is because I have some LVLs on the other side and I need more straps than what's on it to secure and hold it. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any other input or any other methods to the madness. Like for instance, whoever was running this before me, they let that strap burn up, so I'll have to do a garbage run or something like that. Not a problem. Aluminum box so it doesn't rust. Does have a lot of craters in it though. But yeah, like I was saying, leave it down in the comment section. Let me know if you have any input. You guys know that we read the comments. We do appreciate you guys learning and growing with us each and every day. And thanks for watching. Make sure you check out our merch. Links down in the description. Make sure you check us out on all the other social medias. And yeah, let us know what you think. So I'm gonna go ahead and strap down this load, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.